So welcome to this demonstration of Developer Toolset Dockerfiles. We're going to be showing how you can create a RHEL 7 container running the latest RHEL C++ developer tools and then enable use of that environment from the Fedora environment. So just first of all a quick primer on Red Hat Developer Toolset. It's the latest stable C++ tools, so GCC and Eclipse performance and debug tools. It's an extra set, it doesn't replace the existing RHEL tools you have. And they run on RHEL 6 and 7, as well as producing binaries that run on multiple major releases of RHEL. And it's available to most RHEL subscribers at no extra cost. Developer Toolset 3.1 now includes Dockerfiles out of the box, so let's take a look. So we can use Docker tooling plugins in Developer Toolset's Eclipse IDE to create our container. This is running on RHEL 7 server with an active Red Hat subscription enabled. Now, these Eclipse plugins are currently emerging from the Red Hat labs and they'll be available later this year. We just need to complete a few steps to add them to the default Red Hat Developer Toolset 3.1 Eclipse. And then another few to open the appropriate views. Alright, we're good to go. So now we connect to the running Docker server. Okay, we seem to be connected there. And now we can build a new RHEL 7 based Docker image with Developer Toolset tools layered on top. So we point at the Docker file that was supplied in Developer Toolset. And there we go. Now our containers are visible in the list of images. So now we tag the image for upload to a private registry of Docker images. We're going to share this with coworkers. And there it is, it's tagged, it's simple to push to the server now. And that'll make it available to others. Or of course, we may just be using this ourselves between two different machines. And that's the upload complete. So now let's move to our separate Fedora machine and pretend to be a coworker. And what we're going to do is pull the image from the same private registry we were using from RHEL 7 earlier, which is just a simple server shared on the network. So now we've downloaded that image, we are ready to use it. Let's check we can use the newer GCC in Red Hat Developer Toolset within the container. Okay, so now we're in the container. Let's just check that. And it's definitely RHEL 7. So now let's enable Developer Toolset and check our GCC version. And there it is. So now we have tools in a container, we can share sources from the Fedora host to build within it. So here we're mapping in a source directory from the host into /source. We enable Developer Toolset within the container shell. Okay, we're all good, and it's time to build some code with the newer GCC. So here's our hello world source from the host. Let's compile it with GCC. Of course, the files generated will be stored back on the Fedora host. And there we go. That was a quick demonstration of Dockerfiles for Developer Toolset. For further information, please visit bit.ly/devtoolset or alternatively the other link on this page for specifics on DTS Dockerfiles. And thanks for your interest in this video from Red Hat.